Welcome to Microsoft Ignite 2021. I'm Deepu Tala, Vice President and General Manager of Embedded and Edge Computing at NVIDIA. For years, NVIDIA has been working with Microsoft on advancing adoption of AI from high-performance computing in the cloud to intelligent edge spanning across a wide variety of industries and use cases. The powerful combination of NVIDIA's computing platform with Microsoft's edge devices and services help accelerate the development and deployment of world-class AI solutions. Today, I'm delighted to have Mo Tanabian, Vice President and General Manager of Microsoft Azure AI and Edge Devices, Platforms, and Services team joining me to share some exciting news and customer use cases.
Thanks, Deepu. I want to thank NVIDIA for being a great partner and a top sponsor at Microsoft Ignite. Over the past 18 months, we've seen a tremendous acceleration in innovation driven by this ongoing pandemic. Many have evaluated how technology can help their businesses stay open and tackle the challenges that we're facing in these unprecedented times. For example, RXR Realty, the third largest real estate owner in New York City, is using the latest in technology to integrate new safety measures for tenants to safely reopen for business. Working with key partners like McKinsey, Infosys, Rigado, and Microsoft, RXR used Microsoft Azure to create and deploy an intelligent, secure, hyperscale solution in just a few months. The solution is named RxWell. It is a comprehensive, health-based, data-driven program that merges physical and digital assets to help keep employees informed and supported during this time and in the future. Powered by the Internet of Things and the intelligent edge and firmly rooted in responsible and ethical AI principles, RxWell combines real-time computer vision, sensors, AI, mobile apps, and dashboards, and in-person service offerings. But it's not really only the real estate. Other companies are also working on automating their businesses with edge AI. Think of an improved retail experience, for example, where cameras measure how long the queue is and whether a shelf is empty, and then the staff is alerted to take the right action. Or in settings where heavy machinery is used, edge AI technology enables businesses to use AI analyzing a video stream to stop machines before an incident happens.
Thanks, Mo. Those are great examples. At NVIDIA, we have been working on Edge AI for several years. One of the biggest challenges we found is time to market for customer products. We have been investing in tools to improve the AI model workflow with pre-trained models and our train, adapt, and optimize toolkit. We even created DeepStream software development kit for efficient runtime execution of complex AI applications. Partnering with the ecosystem for both hardware and software services has been instrumental in shortening the time to market. What is the biggest issue that Microsoft sees, and how are you solving that problem?
That's a great question, Deepu. We're just at the beginning of what is possible. Traditionally, AI solutions on the edge were difficult, time-consuming, and costly. That's why we've spoken to over 500 customers and partners to understand the biggest barriers to entry for edge AI. The result was clear. It has been too complex to scale. There is lack of expertise and infrastructure, no end-to-end solution platforms. Instead, it's just a lot of building blocks, resulting in expensive, bespoke solutions. And then there is the security issue. With that in mind, we went on a journey. In the spring of 2021, we released Azure Percept to the public. Azure Percept is a fully integrated, easy-to-use platform with added security for creating edge AI solutions. We designed Azure Percept so you can start prototyping in minutes with hardware accelerators that integrate seamlessly with Azure AI and Azure IoT services. Our goal is to enable everyone to easily build solutions ranging from sensing to knowing and finally to taking actions. Azure Percept significantly reduces the complexity of creating these edge AI solutions. What would have taken data scientists and embedded engineers months, even years, to build can now be accomplished by citizen developers in much shorter time, sometimes weeks and months. Azure Percept DevKit has AI vision, audio, and speech capabilities that are simple to build and simple to manage. We also created a set of pre-built AI models for low-code, no-code development and integrated them with machine learning lifecycle management services to accelerate your adoption of AI at the edge and significantly reducing the complexities involved. And we designed the hardware with integrated hardware root of trust, enabling stronger device identity and security. Using a zero-trust security model, we help safeguard your sensitive AI models, data in transit, and data at rest for your edge AI solutions. The Azure Percept experiences come to life in Azure Percept Studio, where citizen and advanced developers alike can quickly get started building, training, and deploying ML models. Azure Percept is fully integrated with Azure Machine Learning, Azure Cloud-based Security, and Azure IoT connectivity, and also device management services.
Both our teams are doing outstanding work to advance the cause of edge AI. And now our respective products are coming together to provide an integrated solution.
Indeed, Deepu. Today, I'm thrilled to share the next area of investment for Azure Percept. We're bringing Azure Percept to Azure Stack HCI powered by NVIDIA T4 Tensor Core GPU, and in the future, to even more platforms and endpoints. Azure Percept on Azure Stack HCI will enable customers to have sites with many existing cameras, to connect them and leverage Azure Percept without the need to invest in new cameras. They can deploy and manage edge AI in a scalable and secure way across their solutions. Azure Percept and HCI are a better together hybrid offering, enabling you to connect your existing on-premise investments with cloud capabilities. We look forward to bringing cloud innovation with Azure Percept to the edge, enabling an end-to-end AI platform with NVIDIA and our solution partners.
Thank you, Mo. Our partnership with Microsoft is something we value tremendously. Together, we have been pushing the boundaries of high-performance computing and cutting-edge AI and machine learning applications in the public cloud at massive scale for several years. Our teams have also been collaborating to integrate our software stacks. For example, customers can use NVIDIA DeepStream in combination with Azure Video Analytics and Azure IoT Edge to optimize video analytics applications. This scenario works great on Azure Stack HCI, and we will continue to innovate together on Azure Percept platform. At Ignite, we are pleased to support the announcement of NVIDIA GPU integration in Azure Stack HCI with several partner offerings. With NVIDIA GPU integration, customers can now build and run their own AI and machine learning solutions at the edge, use it in graphic-intensive VDI workloads, and in the future, run their Azure Percept solutions on it. Mo, I know you have a great demo for us.
Yes, we do, Deepu. Next, I'd like to give you a glimpse of what you can expect with Azure Percept running on Azure Stack HCI. And for that, I hand it over to Krista St. Pierre.
Thank you, Mo. Hello, my name is Krista St. Pierre, and I lead the program management team for Azure Percept. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build edge AI solutions on Azure Stack HCI using Azure Percept. Whether you're new to AI models and prefer walkthrough guidance, or an advanced developer looking to quickly deploy, Azure Percept Studio enables you to easily get started. We are here in Azure Percept Studio. I have already onboarded my Azure Percept VM on a Lenovo ThinkAgile MX1020 and assigned an NVIDIA T4 Tensor Core GPU using Windows Admin Center. We started by providing a name and description for the new solution. I then connected to my Azure Stack HCI device where I've deployed my Azure Percept VM. You'll notice that both Azure Video Analyzer and Azure Spatial Analysis are integrated, and I can easily configure my resources to orchestrate the pipeline of devices, cameras, and models. I'll click Create the solution, and now I can easily add a camera. I simply click Add Cameras and enter the camera's RTSP URL along with my credentials. Tapping Add will show the camera details and a static thumbnail view. I can add multiple cameras to my solution by following the same steps. Now I will click on the camera thumbnail to see the live stream and select Apply AI Skill, where I'll see a pre-populated library of Azure Spatial Analysis skills. Developers can also use Azure Percept in combination with NVIDIA DeepStream to add even more skills. Out of the box, there are 3 skills available. People counting in an area for scenarios such as queue management or end cap displays. Detect when people cross a line and when people enter or exit an area. For this walkthrough, I'm going to select people counting in an area. Now let's configure the AI skill by drawing a polygon in the area around the checkout line. Once I am finished, I click Deploy, and the solution is deployed to the Azure Stack HCI device that I selected before. And just like that, I have inferencing results on my camera stream. Now I click on the Insight tab, where I can see some basic insights and alerts built in. For instance, I can configure an alert as an SMS to be sent to the store operator when the queue is too long. The results can also be streamed to Power BI to visualize the data in real time from across the store. Back to you, Mo.
Thanks, Krista. We're working with many global partners around the world who are building solutions on this platform. For example, Neil Analytics is a world-leading system integrator focusing on Edge AI. Their stock view AI application, powered by Azure Percept, running on Azure Stack HCI, helps retailers reduce lost sales and improve customer experience by automatically detecting out-of-stock items on shelves using ordinary cameras. One of our key customers is PCL, one of the world's largest construction companies. As leaders in construction management, they're extending their job site insight application to add worker safety based on AI, powered by Azure Percept, running on Azure Stack HCI, and Azure Spatial Analysis. This provides the ability to proactively identify and alert dangerous situations in a complex and dynamic construction site. Data Robot enables businesses in every industry, anywhere in the world, to make better, smarter decisions through AI. Their AI at the edge capabilities, powered by Azure Percept, running on Azure Stack HCI, means you can harness the power of Data Robot AI for enhanced employee safety, defect detection, and occupancy management at the point of action. Our customers require well-designed and high-performance hardware to host their edge AI workloads. Microsoft and Lenovo have partnered to bring Azure Percept to Lenovo's award-winning AI hardware. I'd like to introduce Charles Fairland, VP and GM, Edge Computing and Telco at Lenovo, to talk about our Edge AI journey together.
Lenovo introduced the award-winning ThinkSystem SC350 over 3 years ago. This is one of the most compact, ruggedized, and secure edge server on the market today. Through our partnership with Microsoft, we use this server to create the Think Agile MX1020 series, which is an Edge HCI-specific appliance built with Microsoft Azure Stack. HCI has never been easier to deploy and enjoy. Through the last year, Lenovo has been privileged to collaborate closely with Microsoft and NVIDIA on the Azure Percept program. We share the same vision about Edge AI and happy to innovate with our partner on this journey.
Thanks, Charles. Lenovo is one of our top global partners. We have seen tremendous energy across the community. People are building innovative solutions for modern retail, smart city, industrial detection and monitoring, logistics and package delivery, and more. I hope we've been able to demonstrate to you the possibilities of Edge AI and how Azure Percept allows you to build scalable Edge AI solutions fast, secure, and cost-effectively. Join the momentum and experience for yourself what's possible. Order your Azure Percept Dev Kit or visit this link, where you can learn more about a virtualized Azure Percept appliance integrated with our premier first-party spatial analytics AI services. You can deploy the solution on N-series VMs with NVIDIA GPUs in the Azure public cloud, enabling you to upload your own videos for AI processing and explore what this technology can do for you.
Thank you, Mo. I can't wait to see what our customers will do with this cool technology.